Good morning. I'm Vangelis Hainas. I'm the trainer for this seminar. I am a social scientist, sociologist, and adult trainer. The title of seminar is Social Entrepreneurship and Youth, Legal Framework, Challenges, Opportunities and Prospects. Thanks for your attendance. I can see that here is Evangelos Eulogis in the seminar. I don't know if is another that can see us. I believe that I can begin now for the seminar. If you have any questions, please you can send to email of Mrs. Chortos. So, today in this seminar, I will try to present the legal framework just a minute, please. The law here in Greece introduces theoretically unfounded regularity toxic provisions against non-profit organizations without juridical personality, cooperatives and especially mutual funds and charitable foundations by excluding them from its scope and support measures foreseen. It expands the regulatory interest towards part of the business sector, confuse the concept of social and solidarity economy with activities featuring a business character only presented by entities which can be regarded as social enterprises. It does not specify the meaning of collective social entrepreneurship or social enterprise, nor does it adopt the European Commission's Social Business Initiative definition. Its innovative and positive contributions include the sounder description of collective and social benefit, the social impact measurement, the introduction of a system of remuneration convergence, a system of challenging income from business activity into employees' remuneration, and the introduction of incentives for employees to become members of the social cooperatives. The law 2016 introduces an innovative type, a new type, the workers' cooperative. Insurance obligations for its members discerned from the exciting social cooperative enterprises, with which they resemble in many other aspects. Taking into account the extremely few positive incentives provided in comparison with other types, remains to be seen whether its introduction is linked to the clean up of the existing population of social cooperative enterprises here in Greece. Critical importance lies with the extent of the conditionalities to be set for the concession of state property to social and solidarity economic organizations. Furthermore, the equal importance will be the practical procedure to be followed by the Social Economy General Registry for checking the dedication of entities to sustainable development of provision of general interest social services. Which constitute the only allowed activities. The law 2016 is characterized by strict and intense public intervention into market, social and economical market issues for the social and solidarity economy organizations. Striking is the fact that the legal text does not make any direct reference to social entrepreneurship or social enterprises, but in one and only one instance in the introductory part. Now I want to show you a video. Just a minute, please. The question is, are you a social entrepreneur? It's a video, just a minute, please, to send it to the chat. Give me please feedback that you can see this video. It's a short-term video. I can give you a few minutes. Probably it is finished now. Okay. Let's continue, please. Now we will see the challenges of social enterprises in the next future. Which are reducing of public expenditure on social services, emerging new needs and new forms of vulnerability, finding new way of producing social value, measuring social impact. Young people and social entrepreneurship. Let's see some key points. More than 4 million young people now in European Union are unemployed. The youth unemployment rate is more than double the overall rate. And there must be difference between countries. We can say that there is a gap of more than 40 percentage points between the member states with the lowest rate of youth unemployment. Germany is at 7%, and the member states with the highest rates now here is the Greece. 50 before 1 year, now 55%, and Spain 49%. Overall employment rates for young people fell by more than 4 percentage points between 2008 and 2016. High youth unemployment increased difficulties in filling vacancies. The development of social enterprises is not to confront the more private companies, but to play, as you can imagine, a complementary role. Strengthening the local economy by developing new business models contributes to the support the normal business activity by stimulating the local market and to develop synergies in all the activities of the local economy. In this way, we will pursue active policies to promote employment, especially for people from vulnerable social groups, Roma and others, and the development of initiatives to create an enabling environment for social enterprises development at local and national level. Just a minute, please. The main purpose of law of the Ministry of Labour of the Social Economy and Social Business is the strengthening of employment of vulnerable groups and people facing social inclusion and creating successful businesses that are economically viable, robust, and contribute to local and regional development. Basic parameters for the development of measures and programs social entrepreneurship are ensuring the business operation and development of social enterprise cooperative, we call the KINSEP here in Greece. Develop collaborative and team spirit among their members of KINSEP. Upgrade the quality of products and services produced or provided. The above parameters can lead to the development strategy of these social cooperative enterprises. Our proposals to this seminar concern the establishment of structures and mechanisms of institutional, state, local and private entities that will be informing citizens about the role and contribution of KINSEP, will be supporting KINSEP and social economy organizations in Greece to interconnect. Will be providing special consideration for sources of consulting for source of finding. Will be networking social enterprises with other social economy organizations. Will be transmitting good practices already developing in Europe, the member states in Europe. Will be resolving barriers related to the employment of people from vulnerable social groups. Will be offering practical advice on the steps needed for the creation, business plan, tax and insurance matters. Additionally, these structures will develop education and training programs for the social economy in Greek education system. Will interconnect young scientists with relevant research centers and academic institutions. Will facilitate networking of social enterprises with social networks in Europe. Will promote their products and services. Will train citizens for legislation and public policies for the social economy in Greece. Priority is the legitimacy of the social economy as a basic parameter of economic and social life through the appropriate application of the new legislation on social economy, the 2016 law, that will lead to its recognition and legitimacy as a basic parameter of economical and social life. Here you can see the support structure for organization of social economy and entrepreneurship, the successful venture, the ideas for the social enterprises. Which are the success factors for the social enterprises? The good idea, the scope, the goals, the people that believe in this scope, the purpose of the KINSEP, the plan, the business plan, the intermediate goals, the milestones, reviewing and corrections. It's important the innovation and continuous changes, quick response to market and social signals, creative enthusiasm among all venture people, trust, respect, cooperation and democracy, acceptance of the position, role in the venture with parallel participate contribution, personal development, support the personal development of others. The social impact is the key to this way. Society, local economy, family, open society, solidarity, work, insurance, respect the rules and the laws. It's too important to tell to you that the social enterprises are paradigms of democracy and progress for the people and the society. Give me 1 minute, please. I don't know if you want, and if you have any question, please. I want to show you some best practices here in Greece Best practice example first. KISEP Galinos. It's a social cooperative enterprise by the law 2011. There was a program of medical services provision in collaboration with the municipality of Kavala since May 2013. The objective of the project was the operation of the service spots for medical care in the municipality of Kavala, and in particular the provision of primary health care as well as health education and preventive medicine. The services of primary health care were partially met as the municipality of Kavala, as it did not have the capacity to meet them in total. So the KISEP Galinos, as an organization and system, operate of the service spots and medical health care and social care by experts, specialists and specialized doctors on primary health care, preventive medicine, managed to deliver in full capacity. Another best practice is the social cooperative enterprises KISEP Kavala Modern City, that with the Kavala and the scope of this cooperation was the object of cleaning, care and maintenance of roads, streets, sidewalks, areas, neighborhoods, public spaces, squares, parks, and the boundaries of the Kavala through services like street cleaning, waste collection, and waste management. The aim was that the employees recruited would take action to support the Department of Quality of Life, City of Kavala, who were unable this time to fully meet the needs of these services in the area of Kavala. The third example, best practice, is the limited liability social cooperative field of mental health Kavala KISPE. KISPE Kavalas, in the context of implementing the special cooperation agreement with the Kavala, city of Kavala, the August of 2013, hired 20 people. 10 of them was mentally disabled and 10 individual from the general population, implementing decisions, rules and provision of the non-discrimination legislation to ensure and to safeguard the full transparency of the process of personnel selection, as well as the ultimate protection of personal data of each candidate who applied. The purpose of this special plan of action was the unemployment who were equipped to work in the cleaning for the environment, care, maintenance and management of open spaces and interiors of municipal buildings, sports theaters and others, as the services were unable to fully cover the city of Kavala. The main success of this special plan of action of this project was the socialization, teamwork and work migration of unemployment disabled people who co-worked with other employees with success, improving their mental health and tackling their financial problems. Just a minute, please. Another best practice is Kincept handling optimum foods. The object was to develop actions in production, harvesting, processing, packing, packaging, marketing, and distribution of fresh fruit. We call here in Greece kotsiberry. Specialist right aronis and other fruits reproduction in domestic and international market. Signing the contract with great Greek supermarkets, Veropoulos, Sklavenitis, the dealers of these supermarkets, saying to sell the production of fresh fruit, kotsiberry of high quality. The product name bears that of Kincept Creation brand name. You can see some images of this Kincept, of the production area in Kavala, of the kotsiberry. This is the packing of the kotsiberry in this image, if you can see. Okay, do you have any question, please? We can send you the law 2016 from the mail of Mrs. Sofia Siortos, and we have some reports, policy briefs from this law, the Greek law, okay, on social and solidarity economy. Yes, thank you very much for your question. It is known that there was many difficulties here in Greece for the Kincept and the other partners of social economy. There's no support from the government to the social economy and the Kincept until now. We will see to the future if the government can help this Kincept and social economy to be better. Here is Greece, because we have it's a crucial matter here to develop the social economy. Because we have a lot of people that are unemployment, and the social inclusion and the poverty have a lot of percents here in Greece. Many difficulties between teams of population like Roma, Gypsies, you know, disabled people, and others. It is important for the Greece to development a better social economy and just a minute, please. The existence of crowdfunding. I can show you some just a minute, please. Some best practices for crowdfunding. Just a minute, please. Do you know? I try to read your question. Just a minute, please. Yes, it's a big matter. This. Give me 1 minute, please. Okay, I send you to the chat 8 crowdfunding sites for social entrepreneurs. And if you want to send any questions to answer, send please to email of Mrs. Sofia Tsiortos, and we will give you the soon. The answer. I want to thank you for your attendance and nice to meet you. See. Yes, of course, Sofia. There are a lot of training programs here to Greece. There are for employees, for social economy and social entrepreneurship, training programs of KEK, as called KEK here in Greece, in universities and in local communities for the municipalities and private companies, of course. A lot of training programs here in Greece this time because there's a model of development of social economy to for the social economy, yes. I can send you a lot of sources with these training programs here in Greece with a mail and the scope of them, the aim, and the programs, all of the programs that there is here in Greece. A lot of training programs are in lifelong learning centers here in Greece also. Okay, thank you very much. If you want any question, send to email of Mrs. Sofia Siotos and we will answer you soon. Άβαλο. A question please. Who are social entrepreneurs? Can you answer me? Quickly. A definition. Of the social entrepreneurs. Okay, it's correct, Sofia. Okay, thank you. Mr. Advertise to address social issues. Yes, it's correct. Stella, thank you. Here in Greece, Sophia, there's no a professional profile of a social entrepreneur. In Europe, I don't know. I cannot answer to this question for the Europe. Here in Greece, until now, there is no a professional profile, as I know. Perhaps Marie have a profile in Malta for a social entrepreneur. Of course, there are a lot of training programs that which year, Marie, is the law, the legislation? You have right, Stella. We have a lot of problems here about the stereotypes, especially for a woman and a businesswoman and a businessman. Yes, then on all this, Stella, that you say, I send you some links about the social economy here in Greece. Σε μια το λες.
Γεια σας. Η ιστοσελίδα
Thank you, Stella, for this information. And thank you for your attendance. Now, if you have any questions, please, you can send to the mail of Mrs. Sofia Shortov. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.